Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix annoying green lines on iPhone screen in iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general and then scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. And after that again click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your lock screen passcode and then enter the screen time passcode. Now after that again click on reset all settings to confirm. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So I hope it will fix your problem. But if you are still facing the problem, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down and click on general, and after that click on software update. Now from here check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS version, then first of all update your iPhone, and after updating restart your mobile. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your mobile, and after restarting I hope it will fix your problem. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then take your mobile to the Apple Support Center to fix this issue. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.